Hello, I am Hanan Ahammed BSc Computer Science second semester student. Today we are going to discuss about the topic structures of C programming language. Arrays. Arrays are a collections of elements of the same data type stored in contiguous memory locations. Elements can be accessed using an index starting from 0 to the size of the array -1. Arrays have a fixed size that is determined at the compile time. Pointers. Pointers are variables that store memory addresses. They are used for dynamic memory allocations, accessing hardware, and creating complex data structures like linked lists, trees, and graphs. Pointers enable efficient passing of large data structures to functions and allow functions to modify the original data. Linked list. Linked lists are the linear data structure consisting of nodes where each node contains a data field and a reference linked to the next node in the sequence. They can be singly linked, each node points to next node, or doubly linked, each node points to both the next and previous nodes. Linked lists are dynamic in size and allow for efficient insertion and deletion operations, but they have slower access times compared to arrays. For stacks. Stacks are a last in, first out data structure where elements are inserted and removed from the same end, known as the top. The main operations on a stack are push, add an element to the top, and pop, remove to the top element. Stacks are commonly used in recursive functions called expression, evaluation, and undo mechanism in software applications. 5 queues. Queues are a first in, first out data structure where elements are inserted at the rear and removed from the front. The main operation on a queue are enqueries, add an element to the rear, and dequeries, remove an element from the front. Queues are used in scheduling algorithms with first search and buffering in network. 6. Trees. Trees are hierarchical data structures consisting of nodes connected by edges. A tree has a single root node and branches of nodes extending from it. Common types of trees includes binary trees, binary search trees, AVL trees, and red-black trees. Trees are used in file system, database indexing, and representing hierarchical data like organization charts. 7. Graphs. Graphs are collections of nodes, vertical, and edges that connects pairs of nodes. They can be directed, edges have a direction, or undirected, edges do not have a direction. Graphs can represent various relationships such as social networks, road networks, and dependency graphs. 8. Hash tables. Hash tables are data structures that store key value pairs. They use a hash functions to map keys to indicates in an array. Hash table for efficient retrieval. Hash tables offer constant time average case complexity for insertion, deletion, and search operations. They are widely used in dictionaries, symbol tablets, and caching mechanism. These are the conclusions. Array, a collection of elements of the same data type stored in the contiguous memory locations. Pointers, variables that store memory addresses used for dynamic memory allocations and to create complex data structures. Linked list, a data structure consisting of nodes where Each other contains a data field and a reference to the next node in the sequence. Stacks, a last in first out data structure where elements are inserted and removed from the same end. Queues, a first in first out data structure where elements are inserted at the rear and removed from the front. Trees, hierarchical data structure consists of nodes connected by edges with a single root node and branches of nodes extending from it. Graphs, collections of nodes and edges that connect pairs of nodes representing relationships between them. Hash tables, data structures that store key value pairs using a hash functions to map keys to indicates in an array for efficient retrieval. Thanks for watching.